Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through the process of changing your mains hot and cold lever on your tap. What I'm going to do now guys is take you through the process of isolating your mains hot and cold water. So what we've got here today is two isolation valves positioned. So this is the cold one, so just use your screwdriver and just rotate the screw 90 degrees, and we do the same for the mains hot. So we've now isolated the water, so let's go and change the handle. So we're now going to remove the indice, and we're going to use the end of the knife just to prise the indice out of position. So as you can see, it's just the end of the knife just goes into that little hole there like that, and then just lift it out like so. And then use the Allen key provided in the kit to undo the screw and just pull the handle off like that. With the kit, we do issue a replacement screw as well, just in case you lose the existing one. We're going to position the replacement handle in exactly the same way that you took it off. You just push it on like so. Use your Allen key and screw just to tighten the handle onto the valve. And just to firmly tighten, use the long end of the Allen key, just tighten it up, and with your free hand just hold the lever in position to stop it from moving. Tighten it up like that. And the last thing is to position your indice. So the blue is for the cold side of the tap, the orange is for the hot. Push that like so. The next step is now to turn on the mains hot and cold water for your tap. All looks good, and that's the handle change process complete.